very interesting announcement that AQ Snooker is hosting an online snooker coaching seminar. One-day seminar that you guys must attend, because that is going to explain why players don't improve their game, why are they stuck on one standard, what is stopping them winning a tournament or a championship or even beating their highest break. So join this online seminar course. The numbers are there. If you got any questions, feel free to send me a WhatsApp message and you will receive a registration form, and come on and join. Hi guys, welcome to AQ Snooker, and today's video is very interesting, and it's about the bridge distance and why our 20-30 average break player cannot improve to reach the level of 60s, because they keep missing easy pots. And how can you avoid it? It is a very important video, because what happens is there is a standard about bridge hand distance, which I'm gonna explain in my video. But I would recommend for a junior level or a beginner level, it's a good idea to start on a safer side of the snooker, or to make your potting more effective and consistent, and adopt this method, which I'm gonna show you in this video. So before we start our video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Facebook page, my Instagram, my TikTok, because I use different platform for my different occasions and different videos, some live sessions. So it's a good idea to join these all these social platforms. And of course, if you're looking for an online snooker coaching classes or snooker course, please send me a message. WhatsApp numbers are there, or one-to-one coaching. You can always contact me. You can always invite me to your place. So we'll talk about it later. Let's start today's video and let's see that what we are going to learn, and how can we make our potting consistent with the distance we adjust on the bridge hand. It's a very tricky sort of video, so you cannot skip it. Okay, so let's say if my normal bridge hand is like 8 inches, 9 inches or 10 inches away from the white ball, or even 11 or 12. So what I would recommend to the young players or beginners, or who are actually missing the shot, because the more the distance you have, there is a possibility that a player's cueing is not very straight. So when he is hitting, I'm just a bit exaggerating just to show you what I mean. So when he's hitting, he might be throwing his cue offline, which will be like hairline kind of an offline, but it will make big problem for the shot, and he will obviously miss the shot. So what I would recommend, that slightly hold cue from, you must have seen even John Higgins, he's holding cue sometimes away from the tag. Everybody is known to hold this. A normal player, which in the clubs and everywhere, they try to hold their cues near the tag. But I would recommend that if you are at a beginner level, or keep missing slight power shots or even slow shots, try to move your hand slightly away from the tag, like 2-3 inches or even 4 inches, something. 3 inches would be enough. 1, 2, 3, yes. And move your bridge a bit from this position, okay, which is a standard position. Bring it a bit close to the shot, and then start doing some practice, okay, because this will actually avoid any unnecessary side, and you will have more control over your white ball, okay, and your cue especially. So, and you will be able to finish your shot completely. And you see where I'm holding my cue, it's now 4 inches or something. So the thing is that you don't have to be very precise on the grip all the time, and that is actually making problem for them. So I would recommend that slightly reduce the distance of your bridge hand and the tip. That will actually keep your cue more steady and in line on the line of aim. So let's play another shot. Okay, this again. So again, I'm going to show you holding the cue. I'm going to take bridge from the normal position to the close position, and then I'm going to do my cueing, okay, and play my shot complete. You can see, so shot complete, but where I'm holding my cue. So try to apply this technique in your game and see what difference it makes for you. Look, snooker is not A to Z sort of thing. It's not straightforward. You have to have work on several things at a time or one by one to improve your game and to get onto the better or best level. If you got any questions about this technique, this is a little secret, very important. Try to apply it, and very important thing in this one, that try to keep this bridge technique, short bridge technique, for medium distance shots, like 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet distance shot. You can use this technique, but for the longer shots or power shots, a distance power shot, I would recommend that distance should be a bit more than 8-9 inches or maybe even 10, to be on the safe side. So let me know how it works for you, or how is it working for you and how you are doing it. Make sure you send me a WhatsApp message. You can also send me your videos of practicing, and I'll definitely help you out with your game, or probably share it on my platform. Also, I'm starting my online seminar for snooker for 3 hours or something like that, to discuss snooker, to explain nitty-gritties and how you can become a good player. Why are you not improving? All these aspects will be covered in this online snooker seminar by AQ Snooker. So make sure you have the numbers. Send me a WhatsApp message if you are interested, or send me a Facebook message or YouTube comment. Join this AQ Snooker online seminar and see what is stopping you to be a good player. Thank you very much. Till next video, take care. Bye.